So Notion is a great tool. I use it almost for 2 years as a daily driver. It offers a lot of features like checkboxes, lists, and databases. You can apply tags to the pages, and you can organize a lot of information into Notion. On top of that, it also provides you features like share your page over the web and like collaborative features. Like there are a lot of collaboration features in the Notion. And I absolutely love the ecosystem that Notion provides. On top of that, there are plugins like Save to Notion, etc. Like you can simply add any page to Notion directly by this plugin. So there is a very good ecosystem around Notion. But I found one major problem with Notion. So it took me a lot of time to organize the notes every month. So basically, there were a lot of notes that used to belong to different databases. So it was I had to do a lot of notes management every week, every month. So I was almost frustrated to the point that I started finding the new tool. So I found Logseek. So Logseek is a great tool, and it organizes your information. Basically, it takes out no, it makes note management and note creation two different activities. So when you are taking notes, you are not worried about organizing notes, and you want if you want to organize notes, you can organize notes later, but that is an optional task. So that was a very big offering for me because I was very frustrated with the notes management uh, and the time I used to spend in notes management. So everything in a logseek is a block, right? And you can basically add tags to your content and it will be like added to those pages. So as soon as you write something like this, so a new page will be created and this content will be tagged under that page. So everything is a content, nothing is a basically, and content is tagged directly into pages. Every page is a top level page. Uh, to organize my pages and to give like to have little bit structure and to have a list of my common used pages, etc. I have created a content page. So this provides me very lean structure that I need to fasten up my workflow and to find pages easily. You can also search, etc. All those features are there, but yeah, matlab, I have simply created one contents page. So Logseek also have a lot of plugins that are available in the marketplace which you can use. And also a lot of built-in features as well, which are very handy to use. One of the highlighting features is whiteboards. So you can basically use whiteboards in your meetings and draw flowcharts very quickly. So I use whiteboards extensively in my office meetings, etc. It is a great tool to collaborate and make illustrations and flowcharts, etc. Then you have graph view where you can see like how your knowledge is connected to and how the topics are connected to each other. I have this very demo graph that I have built for this demonstration purposes. So the graph looks very disjointed, but generally it's a very connected graph. Then talking about the plugins, there are a lot of plugins in the marketplace already, and you can simply click to install these plugins. There are to-do lists, etc. Plugin, PDF export. Then basically there are other features as well which knowledge management system should offer. So you can open a PDF and like do inline highlighting, etc. So all those features are there which you will need when you are researching about something and like basically doing a very deep work and collaborate across multiple PDFs, etc. So I am finding Logseek as the like superior tool for my personal workflow. So let me know your thoughts. And I know some of you might be using Obsidian as well, but I didn't try Obsidian so far, and I think I may not like Obsidian as well, but I'm falling again and again for Logseek. I tried once or twice, but I came back to Logseek due to personal biases. So let me know your thoughts on this. Yeah. Cool.